Alright, well, we are here, and my guy just showed up. "1757 this farm's been around. Well, there it is. No 4-tab hood. You guys don't even know what it is yet. What do we got here? There's a 4-tabber. So what is it, you say? Oh, I see some ice picks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Still got the W decklet as I fall over on a big rock. There's another door. Is this the door? Let's see if those are real Fuchs or not. I'm not sure. Let's is that a bullet? Is that? No. Yep. Bullet rear fender or front fender. Oh, Dubworks is going crazy right now. L41 on red. Gotta see if those are real. Wait a minute. So there's an old window and a washing machine. Huh, what does this remind you of? I'll give you a hint. Spare metal and an oval window. It's got Duckman all over it, that's what. Well, how did it go? You'll have to wait and see. Thanks for watching, guys.